This Korean artist sends their love and prayers for the Philippines amid the ongoing crisis brought by the eruption of the Taal volcano.
On Twitter, Sandara Park posted a simple message: "Please stay safe, everyone." Momoland members and former member Teha posted their concern and prayers in their IG stories. Super Junior C1 posted this message on his Twitter: "My prayer goes out to the children and the elderly and infirm of the Philippines. I hope no one is seriously hurt from the volcano eruption and the earthquakes." Infinite L also posted this on his IG account, thanking his fans for coming in his Manila fan meeting despite the Taal volcano erupted on the day of his fan meet.